Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download blockchain.com app. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your Play Store if you're using an Android, or you can open up the App Store if you're using an iPhone. I'm on my Android, so I'll open my Play Store. Once you're in the store, tap on the search bar and search for blockchain. In the search results, you'll see the official blockchain.com wallet app. You can also check with its official logo. Once you find the app, you can see the install button right next to the app icon. Tap on it. Now the download process will start. It'll take few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you can see the open button over here. You can directly launch the app from here, so tap on open. And there you go, you have successfully downloaded the blockchain.com app on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.